Hi guys, this is Joy and welcome to Enjoyable Characters. Are you one of those people who are afraid to learn Chinese characters because they're so scary? Ooh, okay, well, your lucky day is here because I promise you that after watching this show, you will be able to read and recognize 66 Chinese characters, which you will come across in China and in cities like Beijing or in Taipei, Hong Kong, anywhere. It's so useful and it's a very good start. Okay, the first two characters that I'm going to show you, which you can see almost anywhere the minute you land in the airport or when you go to department stores, they're in office buildings, schools, libraries, anywhere. Okay, so do you know what the two characters are? Yes, it's chūkǒu. Trucco. So as you can see, the chu means out, and it looks kind of like two pitchforks or forks, the top part without the handle, stacked together, right? And ko, it originally means the mouth. So like when you make ah sounds, it's the shape resembles, right? So trucco together means internationally exit. Exit. When you see chūkǒu, it always means exit. And as we now know chūkǒu, we must learn about entrance. So entrance is the ko part is the same, and the first character turns into ru. So together it's rùkǒu. Rùkǒu. See, that wasn't so hard, right? Now that you know the character ru, entrance, there is another character that looks so similar, you can recognize it immediately. That is the character for person. 人. See, it's the same, two strokes. That wasn't so hard, was it? Now that you know the character 人, let's see where we can find it. For example, the sign over here. It reads rénxíngdào. rénxíngdào, which means pedestrian sidewalk. If you look at it separately, 人, the meaning you already know is person. And the second character, 行, means to go, to walk, to move from one place to another. Now let me show you a trick. Imagine this, a snake sliding down the road with a huge pineapple on its back. Why am I telling you this? Because the character I'm going to show you right now, it looks quite complicated. But if you really do see it as a snake on the bottom and a pineapple on the top, it forms the character, which means road or lane. 道. If you remember it like this, it'll be a piece of pineapple cake. Great, so now you know 6 Chinese characters. Was it really that hard? No, right? Now we are going to review these 6 characters all together. Starting from chūkǒu. Chūkǒu, exit. Chū, out. Ko, mouth. Rùkǒu. Rùkǒu, entrance. Ru, enter. Ko, mouth. 人行道, pedestrian sidewalk. 人, human, person. 行, to go, to walk. 道, road or lane. Remember, when you see 道, to think of that poor snake who's carrying a pineapple. Last but not least, let me show you 3 more characters. 下. Next. 次. Time. Last time, next time. And 见. To meet each other. Altogether, these 3 characters mean see you next time. I'm Joy. I hope you enjoyed enjoyable characters. And 下次见. Bye!